Welcome to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can add multiple accounts on your Facebook just like this. Let me show you guys. So if I log out from my account over here, multiple account is being shown. So I will show you guys how you guys can add it, alright? And before that, if you want to know how to remove it, I'm also going to show that in this video. Now before I show you the way on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on the profile picture looking icon at the bottom right of your screen which says menu. Once you're over here, scroll all the way down and click on logout. And click on logout again, and it's going to log you out from the current account. And don't worry, even if you log out from your account, it's going to be displayed over here, because once you log in into a Facebook account, the login info is going to be saved over here. But don't worry, you can also remove it, which I'm going to be showing you in the end of this video. Now, in order to add another account, just click on login into another account at the bottom, and it's going to bring you over here. Over here, enter the mobile number or the email. You can enter whichever thing you find easy in order to log in into your account. Where it says password, enter the password of your account. Click on login. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into your account. Now once you log in into your account, now it's going to be saved as well. Now just click on menu at the bottom right of your screen and scroll down, click on logout. Click on logout. Now both of your account is going to be displayed over here. And in order to log in into one of them, just click on the name. You will be automatically logged in. So that's how we guys can add multiple accounts on your Facebook. And if you want to remove some of them, just click on the setting icon at the top and choose the one which you want to remove. And click on remove profile, and this profile will be removed. So yeah, that's how we guys can add multiple accounts on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.